Today, we've got something sizzling hot for you, quite literally. We will explore cooking in Minecraft. We're going to show you how to whip up some mouth-watering meals that'll not only satiate your taste buds, but also whet your appetite.
The importance of cooking in Minecraft. Now, you might be wondering, why do we even need to cook in Minecraft? Well, cooking isn't just about satisfying your in-game cravings. It's a crucial part of staying alive in the blocky world. Not only does it replenish your hunger bar, but it also expands the variety of foods available and helps you avoid nasty food poisoning from raw goodies. So, cooking in Minecraft is a win-win.
Alright, folks, let's fire up the cooking process with step 1. To get your chef's hat on, you'll need to craft a furnace first. Gather up 8 cobblestones, and trust me, these are as common as dirt in Minecraft. Arrange them in a square shape in your crafting table, with a fuel source in the center square. Now, that's your furnace ready to roll.
Minecraft's a culinary paradise, offering a buffet of food items like fish, chicken, pork, and beef. You can also forage for fruits, vegetables, and mushrooms. Whether you're fishing, farming, or exploring, there's food everywhere. Pro tip: rare mushroom biomes have giant mushrooms you can turn into delicious mushroom stew. And don't forget about trading with villagers, especially those farmers.
The magic happens. Place your food in the top slot of the furnace and add fuel, like coal or wood, to the bottom slot. It's like setting up a campfire in your furnace. Now, stand back and watch the flames do their thing. Remember, cooking times vary based on the type of food and the fuel you use. Keep an eye on the progress bar above the furnace. When it's full, your food's good to go.
Step 4 is where the mouth-watering moment arrives. Collect your fully cooked food from the top slot of the furnace using your trusty hand. Your character's hungry, and it's time to feast. Devour that food, and watch your hunger bar fill up.
Finally, in step 5, remember that you can keep the culinary train rolling. Just toss in more food and keep that furnace stoked with fuel. No more hunger pangs in the Minecraft world.
Campfire cooking. But wait, we've got an alternate method for you: campfire cooking. To bring that cozy, immersive cooking experience to your Minecraft adventures, gather 3 sticks, 3 logs, and a piece of charcoal or coal. Craft yourself a campfire and ignite it using flint and steel or a fire charge. Right-click the campfire, open the cooking interface, add your raw food items, and let the campfire work its magic. It's like a bonfire cookout right in your world.
Cookable food items. Let's talk about what you can cook. We've got a whole menu of cookable items for you. Raw cod, gathered from fishing or defeating underwater mobs, it turns into delicious cooked cod. Raw salmon, also from fishing or underwater mob drops, it is a mouth-watering dish. Raw pork chop, dropped by adult pigs and hoglins, it transforms into tasty cooked pork chop. Raw mutton, defeat adult sheep to get this, and cook it to make delectable mutton. Raw chicken, it's a drop from adult chickens, and you'll love it as cooked chicken. Raw rabbit, hunt down adult rabbits for this treat, and cook it into mouth-watering rabbit. Potato, farm these and make baked potatoes for a hearty snack. Kelp, found in ocean biomes, cook it to dried kelp for a quick bite.
But before we go, I want to tell you about something exciting. Moonpreneur is now offering a Minecraft coding course for kids, where they can learn to code while having a blast in the Minecraft universe. It's the fastest and most fun way to pick up coding skills. So, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.
Well, that's a wrap, fellow Minecraft enthusiasts. Now you know how to cook up a storm in Minecraft and keep your hunger at bay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, keep on crafting, mining, and cooking in the world of Minecraft. See you next time!